Hello children, can you guess whose voice is this? Yes, it's a parrot. Children, do you know if we train parrots can speak like us? Children, you must have seen many birds around us, right? But children, do you know their names? And what do we call them? Yes, we call them as birds. So children, today we will learn about few birds and their names. Let's go to see some birds. Okay. Now children, tell me, which bird sound is this? Yes, it is a crow. A crow is black in color and we see crow in our surroundings. See this bird. Do you know this is a sparrow? Sparrows will eat small grains. Here comes a pigeon. Pigeon will be in grey and white in color. Pigeons also eat small grains. Wow, very beautiful bird. Is it children? Yes, this is a peacock. A peacock is our national bird. And also peacock dances very well. Five little ducks went out one day over the hills and far away. The mama duck said quack, 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 but only 4 little ducks came back. Children, ducks will live in the water. Here is an owl. Owls will come out from their nest only at night. Children, I hope you enjoyed learning. Thank you. Bye-bye.